How to impress a girl on a date. On a date, if you make a good impression, you might get the chance to see the girl again. You can get ready for your date, look your best, and make sure everything goes smoothly by taking a few easy steps. Show etiquette by opening doors for her, picking up the tab, and dressing in a way that gives you confidence. The most crucial thing you can do to win her over is to pay attention to her. This demonstrates your curiosity, concern for her needs and wants, and your potential as a great partner. 1. Decide where you want to go on a date. If she already has a plan for what she wants to do, first ask her if she wants to choose the location. Prepare your route in advance. Remember that your amount of preparation reflects your level of interest. Choose a venue where you will have the opportunity to converse and learn more about one another. If you'd like, you might plan to visit several locations on a single date. 2. Whenever necessary, wash your car. If you want to drive on the date, take some time in the morning to clean out your car of any trash. If you have pets or it has been a while since you vacuumed the inside of your car, you might want to do that as well. Clean any interior surfaces that are dusty. 3. Have conversational subjects in mind. Although you might not need to use them, it's a good idea to have some ideas written down in advance in case you run out of things to say. Create open-ended questions rather than ones that just want a simple, yes, or no, response to begin a conversation. 4. Prepare a small gift if you can. You might choose to bring her flowers, sweets, or something else that is more in line with her preferences. If you don't know much about her, you could find out about some of her interests and pastimes by speaking with someone who does. If you give it some consideration, you'll definitely impress. 5. Put on an outfit that makes you feel confident. Choose clothing that is appropriate for the location you are heading. It doesn't have to be very extravagant, but the girl will notice if you put some thought into how you dress and carry yourself. Additionally, you want to be genuine. Avoid dressing wholly inappropriately. Think about the attire that makes you feel confident and appealing while presenting your best self. 6. Put beautiful shoes on. Girls pay attention to style cues. Don't wear a stylish dress with cheap sneakers. Choose shoes that match your dress, your date's activities, and are in decent shape. 7. Be presentable. Don a new cologne. Maintain proper dental health to avoid foul breath. Make sure your hair is cut if necessary, and keep your nails neatly manicured. Put on deodorant. Last but not least, and by far the most important thing, just do it. Have some fun and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.